Hey guys, it's the end of the video, the beginning. We're at Johnson's Auto Salvage Yard. Here's some information. You can go through the salvage yard. You have to fill out your waiver. So if you get hurt in there, you have to pay $2. If you see something, they have numbers on the vehicles. You write that number down, take it back into the office, and they'll go, I guess they'll go out and get it for you. I don't think you bring
Yeah, they
the
probably
stuff
get
back.
it. They probably get it to you.
Well, we see an ice cream truck here, Bert. Remember the little dee to come through the
Is that one we see?
come through the neighborhood, and the first time I heard one in the neighborhood, I asked my mom and dad, can we go get ice cream? And then they immediately tell me this negative story about how it could be drugs. You don't say it like this. Hey, I see some smoke.
I see that too.
I think the graveyard is this way, but we can go this way.
Walk this way?
Well, no, whichever way you want to go, but I think this is going back up towards the road, but which is fine. You may want to check that. Look at that orange thing.
I just think it's cool just seeing the stack on top of it. Oh look.
Oh, okay. You could have come here for your bumper. You could have looked to see if they had like a Honda. What? You have a Honda or Toyota? Honda, yeah. Ooh, we're back on the road to recovery.
Instead of having to climb over this, that, and the other part.
Yeah, because in the summer I wouldn't do that because of wasp and snakes.
Yeah.
Probably not snakes, because snakes don't like people. They don't want to be around people, so if there's people walking, heavy traffic. But wasp, man, I don't know. Like, where do wasps go in the winter, guys?
They hibernate. Or they go somewhere where it's warmer. I don't know if they can travel that far.
All right, this person right here likes the Incredible Hulk. He painted his car Hulk green.
Hulk green with some orange crush.
All right, so we got to find something interesting. Let me just do a pan around so people.
You want to get up and do like a 360?
Okay.
It's fenced in.
Oh. Hi. I like when you said on the title you put abandoned car lot or something, and one guy says, nice try, guys.
Yeah, well he said it's just a salvage yard or something.
Yeah, oh, and one was talking to another YouTuber, and they says, well, they showed the yard truck. That right there's a clue. Remember when you said wrong turn? That reminds me of wrong turn.
Oh, wrong turn. Oh, this is cool. This is a 63.
Oh yeah. Now that stands out, don't it?
63 Dodge van.
Like a mystery machine almost.
Oh, it's locked. But
It's not locked. There you go. There you go.
Cut my arm on that.
Oh, did you cut your arm?
I could.
Oh.
Rusty. Oh, the engine's right here in the middle.
Oh, I never known a
No, that
engine
can't be
in the middle.
That can't be. They probably
No, that's right.
You think?
Yeah. My camper, the engine was right there. That's not in the middle. That's still considered the front.
So, so this is just the bare bones. So it's probably you're sitting up above it. Cause yeah, it's not in the front because they're so
Right.
such a short amount of space in the front. So it can't. That engine can't be up front there. Let's see if you can get.
That's a wrong turn truck. The movie Wrong Turn.
That's the wrong turn truck.
Yeah.
Wrong turn. How many of those they have? Wrong turn 6, 7.
Oh my goodness, and yeah, once you get only the first one was. Look at that. That's got to be 50s, 60s. I don't really know.
Wait, it
Look at
says
that.
52.
Oh.
Wait. 57. Yeah, 57. And you think someone would come in and like clean it out? And do you think you could, guys? This is what I want to know. Write in if you have any comments about this. A car that is this rusted and this dilapidated. Are there people that buy these and then still revitalize them or recoup them to be like? I mean, obviously you could take that out and put a new engine, but I mean, what do you do here? You buff this out and then re-spray paint it, recoat it with a new coat of paint. I'm assuming you could, but it would take a lot of work. Are there people that still do that? I guess if it's an old car like this and it's worth it, then they probably would.
This is a Dodge Power Wagon, and it says 100 on the side.
Dodge 100 Power Wagon. Now, was this you driven for luxury or driven for not luxury, but was this
I don't
for
think.
work?
I think back in the 50s and 60s there was no.
Luxury.
Everything was built on utility and
Service.
it served a purpose. To,
Right.
you know.
There's the old horn. It just looks like a tuba. That just curls. Hey guys, just brewing my stew here. Tom, how much, and viewers, you write in, how much would it take for you guys to drink a scoop of this? Oh,
That's mostly rainwater, so I'd do it.
yeah, but what's
There's not
all
a lot
that in there?
That's leaves, man.
The leaves, but then what is this? Aluminum?
Yeah, but well,
Oxidized metal?
I mean, I would drink that because it's clear.
For how much?
I don't know. I ain't really needing that much, but
$10? No. I would drink it for $200.
would you? All of it? You'd have to sit.
not all. No, I'd probably say 1,000.
Hey, I got now. I want to say something interesting. You could probably drink a cupful, and your body is in good enough shape to offset
that.
the what do you call it?
The effects, the side effects.
Yeah,
I
but
would
if you
probably
drink
do
all of it, you'd probably be on the commode.
that. Yeah.
All right,
Alright, throw it up.
Hey, we got to find these folks something interesting now, because we sitting here talking about puddled water.
I'm trying to see stuff as I go, because you never know.
I know, you never know what's gonna. Well, while we're looking, I could give you a little quiz. Look, let's go over there where that yellow dump truck looking thing is. Okay, I'll give you something. Show me a vehicle that looks like it's been hit by a deer. Not another vehicle, not a tree, a ditch, or telephone pole, but it was wrecked by a deer.
Oh, a deer? Okay.
A big deer.
Don't you hide your southern pride now.
Yeah, look at that, guys.
You know we're in the south.
We are in the South.
I'm trying to think of the best way to get over there. Oh, that's some old Volkswagen Beetles.
That's gonna be your motor in the back. 70s. And you know, Ted Bundy, let me turn this off a minute. Ted Bundy had a Volkswagen. Yeah, he was a serial killer. Yeah. And what's interesting is they have that in some museum somewhere, and I don't know why. That's, you know, he's kind of like Hitler in a way. You just don't speak about certain things.
Yeah.
Evil, negative things that's happened. Yeah, this is a black one right here. You want to carry some? You carry some. Hey, is that a convertible or was that just, let's look, because they did make convertibles. Is this a convertible or is it just been torn apart?
Looks like it's been cut from the jaws of life.
I would drive a Volkswagen restored. I would, because I think that they're like nostalgic. Is that the word?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, right now, we don't see a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot of. So I think they group all the cars together. We got a lot of Volkswagens.
I think if we were going to be dedicated filmers or YouTuber, like making videos today, I think what we would need to make a video for just Volkswagens.
Right.
You know? Because we ain't really shown it enough. Make sure I would get a shot like where you're walking down.
Yeah. This is not like the other.
Yeah, the further back you go, it's... Alright guys, we're at the back of the salvage yard. And wow, look at this.
Oh, yeah, these are some old ones.
I think, to me, this is what people would want to look at, don't you think?
This is like the, I'm gonna say the 66, 653. That's the oldest we've seen so far, 53.
That's a 53 right there?
That's at least that's what I'm guessing from the window. Applause. That's an old one.
That's old as all get out right there, Bert.
Okay, here you are. Get that, like a portrait shot of that with the paint peeling.
Oh yeah, what is that, Plaz? So we'll just go through here, starting with this red one. This is a gold duster. Okay.
Life finds a way. Look at it growing through the...
So anyway, that's a little bit of information. We thank you. We're still gonna do abandoned places. Bert and I's buying a brand new drone, replace our old one. I mean, we got a lot of good things, but right now life happens in between trips, and so Bert and I just do little things because we want to reach more than just abandoned places, people that enjoy that kind of stuff. We're trying, just branching out, doing different stuff. Thanks, guys.
Remember, we're filming life experiences.